Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Air Transport. AIR, Air, TRANSPORT, Air Transport. So the children, first of all I would like to teach you about that what is transport. Transport means to carry people or goods from one place to another place. There are three different types of transport like land transport, water transport, air transport. So, today I would like to teach you about air transport. It is a mode of transportation in which the vehicles flies in the air. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. So, now I would like to teach you some air transports. See, the first is Aeroplane, aeroplane. Now you can see. Yes, students. So, children, an aeroplane is a flying object. It is like a bus or a vehicle that flies in the sky. It has wings and a tail. It can take about 100 to 400 passengers and goods from one place to another place. It can move hundreds of kilometers over seas, hills, jungles at a time. It saves time and makes the world smaller. Only rich people travel it. The air hostess treats the passengers nicely. Flying in the air is a pleasure. Now, the next is GLIDER, glider. You can see gliders, GLIDER, glider. Gliders are aircrafts which do not have a motor. Gliders are controlled by their pilots by using control sticks. Some gliders can only carry one person, other can carry two passengers. In gliders with two seats, each pilot has a control stick. Gliders always have seats for the pilots. Gliders cannot get into the air by themselves. They are pulled into the air by an aircraft with a motor, or they are pulled up by motor on the ground. Now the next is HELICOPTER, helicopter. You can see this is the picture of helicopter. Helicopter is a kind of aircraft. A helicopter can fly straight up and down, sideways or backward. It can also spin around or over, motionless in the air. Helicopter can fly lower than aeroplanes. It is different from the aeroplane. It has rotors on the top which rotate very fast. It has landing gears, cockpit for pilot and other to sit, and also tail rotors. This allows them to land places where an aeroplane cannot land. Now the next is HOT, hot, AER, air, BALLOON, balloon, hot air balloon. Now, this is the picture of hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is a type of aircraft. It is lifted by heating the air inside the balloon. Usually with fire, hot air waves less than the same volume of cold air. This means that hot air will rise up or float when there is a cold air around, just a bubble of air on a pot of water. This way balloons can carry more weight on a cold day, or if the air inside the balloon is very hot. So this is hot air balloon. Now the next is SPAC space CRAFT, spacecraft. You can see this is the picture of spacecraft. Students, a spacecraft is a vehicle that can carry people and cargo beyond the Earth's atmosphere through a space station or orbit and back again home. Spacecraft which is launched from the surface of a planet are called launch vehicles and usually take off from launch pads and spaceports. Most spacecraft today are propelled by rocket engines which shoot hot gases opposite to the direction of travel. Now the next is parachute, parachute. You can see. Yes, student, this is the picture of parachute. A parachute is also a device used to slow down an object that is falling towards the ground. A parachute uses drag to slow something moving in air. It is often an umbrella-shaped device on which people or things can float slowly and safely down to the ground from great height, such as an aircraft. Now, the next is FIGHTER, fighter, PLANE, plane, fighter plane. Students, you can see this is the picture of fighter plane. Children, a fighter aircraft are small military planes that are made to fight other aeroplanes. They can also turn well with the help of fighter plane. Fighters can carry many different kinds of weapons, including missiles, machine guns, and bombs. While fighters may be used as attack aircraft to attack vehicles, soldiers, or buildings on the ground. So children, I have taught you air transport. So you all will study at home very nicely air transport. Thank you.